We find the last day on our star was pretty quiet. However, the big story today comes with the analysis of the previous day's coronal mass ejection. As we said yesterday, the northern active region released an M-class solar flare of long duration, and the CME is coming at Earth. Based on coronagraph images, it appeared that at least one of the previous eruptions was heading our way, but there is no doubt about the halo eruption visible at the end there, or on the C3 camera. That one's coming at Earth. Now, NASA's Enlil spiral shows an impact tonight, basically when the USA is winding down their evening, and that timing matches NOAA's Enlil spiral, except they show the M-flare CME overtaking the previous one. This is not that surprising, as I mentioned yesterday, because it was a long-duration flare, and those make the best CMEs, as I said. Now, despite my words yesterday, a lot of folks were asking why this CME could be relevant when the one from the X-class solar flare really was less relevant. In addition to their being off different hemispheres of the sun, which means their magnetism will be different, a long-duration flare will outperform the CME production of an impulsive flare, even of much greater magnitude. In green on the left, I've circled the X-class flare from the end of October, impulsive. On the right, I've circled the long-duration flare in red. Yes, if all other things are equal, a flare rating can be a great way to judge which CME will be stronger than another. But the duration, plasma bulk, and the width versus narrowness of the ejection all matter as well. Today, the weak coronal hole stream we're seeing in the solar wind should be waning back in the hours before the CME arrives. NOAA is predicting only a G1 storm from this event. Kind of a not scary forecast given how fast they have forecast the CME to arrive. If the CME indeed hits when these Enlil spirals expect, I think the storm could be a bit bigger, but once again, don't let other channels fool or scare you. This one is not the scary one either. Quick note on La Palma. After twin 5-pointers over the weekend, another one struck early this morning. That's 3 at the magnitude 5 range there after the long buildup. Let's do a bit of science as well here, starting with Hubble's amazing look at N44.